All right, you are looking at a live shot of the New York Stock Exchange as it reacts to the Donald Trump victory. Right now, the Dow is down about 26 points, just a tenth of a percent right now. But of course, world markets have been reacting to the results. Let's check in with Business in Vancouver's Haley Wooden now. And world markets in Asia were the first to react to this. How are the rest of the markets looking right now?
We saw an immediate sell-off of stock on the international markets, but a couple things have changed. I mean, markets down in Asia as well as Europe and elsewhere in the world. But what's important to note, many markets do have circuit breakers, so they're there in case there is an immediate sell-off. The other thing, too, that surprised many people is Donald Trump's acceptance speech. It was deemed by many traders to be much more balanced and presidential than perhaps was anticipated. As a result, it seems to be giving investors pause, and we're not seeing the markets around the world drop as quickly, perhaps, as they did on the heels of the news. They're also much calmer in the wake of what we saw after the Brexit vote.
All right. And what about American markets? I mean, we're seeing the Dow kind of going up and down this morning. Do we expect it to level out anywhere?
A lot of people are asking about what Donald Trump's next move is going to be. So depending on what announcements or policies or speeches come out today, I think we are going to see that reflected in U.S. markets as well as around the world. The S&P 500 in the U.S. was triggered. It did cease trading for a period of time, but things do seem to be leveling out a little bit. I still think many investors are holding their breath and waiting to see what happens next.
And of course, the other big story is gold, with many turning their investments into gold.
That's right. Gold's up, silver's up, copper's up as well. That was to be expected. Again, sort of this move towards safe haven assets. Gold is a good one. I expect we're going to see that go up. But you know what? If things start to level out and calm down, when we have periods of certainty, gold tends to drop. So that'll be a good one to watch when it comes to judging sentiment and certainty in the markets.
All right, Haley, thanks very much.